In this video, we're going to be talking about your associated bank application not working and how you can fix it. So first things first, there are a couple of ways you can troubleshoot the steps with. So let's just go ahead and start with your application update. Simply open your app store and search for Associated Bank Digital. And when you simply go ahead and click on the application, if there is a open blue button, then you don't have any updates. But if there is a update button with the blue color on it, simply click on that and your device or your mobile banking application will be updated and it should go ahead and work. Also verify that your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection, because sometimes your internet could also be a problem. If none of those work, then try uninstalling and reinstalling your application and restarting your device. Finally, if you tried everything I mentioned and it still doesn't work, then the best option is going to be by calling Associated Bank, and the number is 800-236-8866. I'm going to repeat that again, 800-236-8866. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.